morning, everyone. Happy Sunday. Today is May 17th. It is our first official day. Well, it's our first day like waking up in the new house. Yes. We had our first cup of coffee on the front porch this morning. That was really nice. I'll insert some pictures. What else? We are getting ready to meet Josh's stepdad at our apartment. There were just a few things that we couldn't bring, like the stuff in our fridge. There's a load that we have to take to Goodwill or something.
Yep, and the TV.
And the TV. Yeah, for the living room. We're gonna grab that, and then his stepdad is gonna bring over the laundry supplies that we had at their house so we can finally do laundry. Anything else? And then we're gonna go grocery shopping.
Grocery shopping, maybe some other shopping.
Maybe some other shopping.
We'll see.
We'll see what we get into. The main thing today is to get the internet set up and my office set up so that I can do work tomorrow.
Yep.
That's the main thing. And then yesterday was also his sister's birthday and my stepmom's birthday. So today we're gonna go over to his mom's house to have cake for his sister's birthday. So that's exciting. That's at 12:30.
Yes.
I think they said it's ice cream cake.
They did say it was ice cream cake.
Yes. But yeah, we'll show you guys what we get into along the way. Okay. We were very productive at the apartment, and I forgot to vlog an update. But we actually had some extra time at the apartment, so we ended up cleaning everything. So literally there's nothing left at the apartment. It's all clean. We don't have to go back there until we have to turn in the keys. So that's really nice. Josh messed up his back.
I'll be alright.
You sure?
Yeah, it just tensed up on me. It's ridiculous. You go to the gym, lift hundreds of pounds, no problem. I bend down, pick up a plastic bin, and all seizes up on me.
That's all it takes. So I gave him some cold pizza. He's on a heating pad. He's got some ibuprofen and water. And he's barred from lifting heavy things today.
Heavy for you or heavy for me?
And there's Havoc. Hi, buddy. Do you like the new house? Do you like the new house? Oh, yes.
You had a tough day yesterday.
Yes, but he's okay now, I think.
He still
gets a little nervous.
He gets a little nervous, and I think he gets lost.
Yeah, he doesn't know where anything is yet.
So, earlier, Paige and I were back in the bedroom getting ready, and he was in the kitchen, and I think he kind of forgot where things were at, so he started crying. I had to run out here, and he was just standing right at the entrance to the kitchen. I think he just forgot.
It's okay. We've got some awesome updates. The cat tree is in place, which is most exciting. Hi, buddy. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Use your legs, don't you?
We got the TV, and Josh hooked up the internet.
Yes, I did. I have to be able to do something since I'm not allowed to lift anything.
Oh, we've got the laundry going.
Well, you nearly broke your back hooking up the TV, so.
We were in there hooking up the internet. Shaggy was out with me.
And we bought our food. Still have plenty of space. We still have to go grocery shopping too. And then our freezer. Yeah, we made some good progress so far. What else? Now I need to set up my office so that I can make sure that I can work from home tomorrow. Are you relaxing? Aww. Yes, buddy. We'll be back, okay? We're gonna go get groceries.
Gotta get cat litter.
Yes, we have a short list We don't need that much. We're gonna try and get it done quickly. What time is it? It's 11:18, and we have to be at his family's house at...
They said 12:30, but we'll get there. I mean, we'll get there whenever we get there. They're fine.
Yeah, I think we'll make it right on time.
Yeah.
Then when we get back from eating ice cream cake, I can work on my office, and I'll show you guys that. Sorry, I feel like this vlog has been more of just like me updating you instead of me showing you what I'm doing. But I'll get better footage later. Alright guys, we just got back from the grocery store. We went to Food Lion this time because it's like right down the road. We typically like to shop at Aldi, but Food Lion is a lot more convenient where we live now. So I'll show you guys what we got. We got some cooking spray. We got this for Shiley, Joshua's sister, as a surprise. She loves these. Oh, and Josh found these. These are cool. It's a little fruit cups, but they have popping pearls in them. So it's peach strawberry lemonade. What are you doing? Ugh. Josh got boiled peanuts. I'm personally not a fan. Then needed more ketchup. Got this giant thing. And then I got some spinach for my smoothies every morning. And then some bananas. Now this is the stuff that wasn't on the list, but we got it anyway. At Food Lion, they had this ice cream from Biscoff, the brand that makes these cookies that you get on the plane. So good. So I got one with fudge brownie mixed in. And then Josh got this brown sugar bourbon ice cream, which also sounds really good. And then they also had these protein drinks I've never seen before. Shamrock Farms Rockin' Protein. It's got 30 grams of protein, 4 grams of fat, 12 grams of carbs, and 6 grams of sugar, 4 grams of fiber, 190 calories, lactose free. So they were 2 for $5, I think. So I got 1 chocolate and 1 vanilla. We'll see how those taste. And then for almond milk, this is a new brand we've never seen before. It's called Nature's Promise. It's supposed to be like better for you because it doesn't have any of the artificial stuff in it. I think, what does it say?
It's no synthetic colors. Oh, no, I can't read it.
No synthetic colors, no artificial flavors, no artificial sweeteners. And this was actually cheaper than the regular like Silk and Almond Breeze and the other ones. So we got that to try. And then Josh got some half and half for his coffee.
I don't always drink my coffee with color, but when I do, it's half and half.
Oh yes. We got some sliced Munster cheese for sandwiches.
You already get this? Oh. Good. Because I'm gonna give it a taste test.
Josh is gonna eat his ice cream now.
I'm just taste test.
I got this trail mix. It's Power Up protein packed trail mix.
Other stuff.
It's got almonds, cashews, raisins, pumpkin seeds, peanuts, and cherries. Got that.
This is the brown sugar bourbon vanilla.
Is it good? Can I try?
It's good. So it's a nice, delicious vanilla, and it actually has ribbons of brown sugar in it.
That's good. And the bourbon is good.
This is a limited edition from Turkey Hill.
Right, and then it's got the other layer. I got this bread. It's thin slice, 12 grain. Josh got this s'mores cereal. And that is everything. I feel like Food Lion was expensive.
Yeah, it was definitely expensive.
Like all that was $60. I feel like if we went to Aldi, it would have been like 30.
Yes.
We did buy a couple extra things, like the ice cream we didn't need. These drinks we didn't need.
Who said we don't need ice cream?
Well, we already have ice cream is what I'm saying.
Yeah,
oh, we also
but-
got cat litter. That was like $10. I think that's it. Yeah, that's all we got. Alright guys, we are done with the birthday festivities. I didn't want to vlog there because I just wanted to enjoy time with the family. But we are on our way. We're going to try and see if we can drop stuff off at Goodwill. I don't think they're open, but I heard that they have bins outside that you can at least drop stuff off in. So fingers crossed we can do that. And then we're going to go back home so I can get my office set up. I think that's it. How's your back feeling?
I don't know. Mom put this heat pack, I think knockoff version of what is it, Icy Hot. So I'll be honest, right now it just feels like I have this big sticky band-aid on my back.
Well, you kind of do.
Well, yeah, but I'm assuming at some point, you know, I'll start feeling the effects. Or
I think it'll take 30 minutes to kick in, and then you're supposed to leave it on for up to 8 hours.
8 hours?
To get the maximum effect. Like, it'll last that long, I think.
That's gonna be a rough band-aid to pull off.
Well, the longer it stays on, the easier it'll be to take off because it won't be as sticky.
I suppose, but anyway, so we'll keep you guys updated. We'll show you what the office is looking like and what the rest of the house is looking like. We're getting some good work done on it. I was up about 4 o'clock this morning, organizing the bookshelf.
Oh yeah.
I already, fixed the bathroom door and the closet door for the closet when you first come in the house. I got a couple other projects to work on. I might try and do that while Paige is setting up her workstation, but I'll keep you posted on how things are going.
Havoc! We're home! No one else is coming. We're already inside. No one else is coming.
We have had a lot of gas.
Yes. Come on. We got all these empty bins. We were able to drop stuff off at Goodwill. And our laundry's done now, so I should be able to put that away. Alright, now I'm gonna work on the office. Enjoy the time lapse.
So I had this tear in my jeans, and as I was walking through the hallway, it managed to catch the smelly thing.
The wallflower.
Yeah, the smelly thing.
Oh my gosh.
So I'm walking around with the smelly thing on my leg.
Oh my goodness. Alright, here's my current situation. Trying to go through all this. Thankfully we have tons of storage in this closet.
Yeah. Moving these so this can just be the office closet.
Okay, here's the finished product in the office. We've got our bookshelf here. These curtains are really pretty. The previous owners actually left those, but I kind of like them. Here's my desk set up. This is gonna have to go on the floor for now. And then in the closet, I've got like my painting stuff. Up there we've got like just important documents we don't really need to access on a regular basis. For now, my vision board is there because I don't have a place to hang it up yet. Extra supplies. Oh, down there, and there's still plenty of room for more things. That's it for the office. Okay, we just put our laundry away. Now we're gonna put up the shower curtain. Okay, we just realized it's not long enough. This one, it doesn't really matter because that's just decorative, but that one you kind of want it to be long.
Yeah.
And it's not. It barely goes.
It's not long.
It's not. We'll buy a new one. Alec likes it. Hi.
What are you doing, buddy?
Okay, you guys. We are pooped. I think we're officially old now. Can't move like we used to, babe.
What?
We're taking turns with the heating pad.
Yeah.
Taking medicine for our pain. Anyway, what time is it?
About 8 o'clock.
Yeah, it's about 8 o'clock.
Should have been in bed hours ago.
We're back to work tomorrow, so it is time for us to go to bed. Again, thank you guys for joining us in this moving journey. The moving series is not over because we still have unpacking to do.
Yeah.
So make sure you guys hit that like button so that we know that you are enjoying this moving / home content. Leave a comment down below saying what your favorite room is of the house and which room you're most excited to see what we do with. And make sure,
I was gonna say, if you have any suggestions on, you know, home projects or things like that, feel free to put those down there. I'm very excited to be doing some work on the house. Already did some work on the house, but I'm excited for projects and things to keep me busy. So
yeah, we're really excited to have projects, so keep them coming. Yep. All right, make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell to make sure that you are notified every time we upload. And we'll see you guys next time. Remember, I upload videos every Sunday and Wednesday. Is that it?
I think that's it.
All right, we'll see you guys next time.
Bye. I'm watching you this time. Not gonna hit me in the eye.
Oh my gosh. Good night, everyone.
Good.